Hey guys, it's Jacob. If you've been looking for a unicorn of a property, this is going to be the one. Welcome to 62 Tracy Lane. One of the many gems of this masterpiece is going to be this brand new pool with a touchless cover and light. Does your husband need space for all of his toys and projects? Then this 60 by 40 shop is going to be perfect for it. With a perfect dock for entertaining, a private boat ramp, and steps into the lake, it checks every box. If you or any of your friends have any questions about this home, please give us a call directly at 573-302-2355.